Hello and welcome to another video. We're going to talk about weak session IDs here on damn vulnerable web application. So this is a beginner's video, so this is of course a low security level and we're already logged in. Now the general idea here is that I think we're going to start out looking at the code. So you have this small code here, also written in PHP, which basically says that whenever you post something with a post formula, this is clicking the button, it is probably. Then you say that if there is no last session, set it to 0, and if there is something already existing, then we just increment the session ID by 1 and setting that as our new session ID, set the cookie and send it to the browser. Now, if we right click and say inspect or F12 in our browser here and zoom in a bit and just click the button, you can see that our value of the damn vulnerable session ID value is incremented by 1 every time I click the button. Essentially this is demoing that we are logging in with a new user, and when we're logging in with a new user we will get a new session ID. Now the problem is, whenever you log in and you check your own session ID, you see the number 7. Now, what I would do as an attacker, I would just go in and write 6, for example, refresh the browser, just like that, and then, oh, whoa, see, I'm a new user. Now, the demo of this particular low security exercise on this application is really bad because it doesn't have any success criteria, it doesn't have any pop-up or anything. It's just a general problem. So let me just type the number 6 one more time and press the same site. I accidentally pressed refresh to the generate button, so we generate a new ID. That's me just logging in one more time. Was a flaw. So you see we keep the session ID. Now that is because on the server it knows the different kind of session IDs there are already, and basically it's just gonna check whether that session ID is there or not. This is how it works when you are sending session IDs back and forth in your web browser to the server. Remember that doing an actual HTTP request to the server is not a full connection, it is connection-less connection. Yes, I know it sounds fun. Connection-less means that you do the request to the server from your browser, and then the server will forget about you and close the actual connection. Yes, there is an initial connection, of course there is, but the connection is closed by the server whenever the request is done. So next time you visit the server, you better bring your ID to say, hey, this is me, and then the server will say, okay, I remember who you are, and this is you are still logged in, you are admin, you can access the admin panel, and so on, so on. If we can easily guess that value, you can easily compromise other users and impersonate yourself as other users. This is what low is all about, nothing crazy about it. I don't see any reason to say any more about it, so I guess that's it for now. Happy hacking and have a really nice day.